In the previous segment, the regression line obtained by minimizing the y errors is known as the y on x line. If we were to instead minimize the horizontal distances between each data point and the line, in other words, the x errors, we would obtain another line, called the x on y line. For the purpose of the H2 Mathematics syllabus, you are not required to find the equations of the regression lines analytically. However, you will need to know how to use a graphic calculator to obtain the equations of the regression lines, which is illustrated in the next example. Consider the set of bivariate data as shown. Part 1. Find the equations of the regression lines of y on x and x on y, and sketch both lines in a single scatter diagram. Part 2. Find the coordinates of the point of intersection between both lines found in Part 1. How do the values compare to the sample means of x and y in the set of data? Suppose the variables x and y are such that neither variable depends on the other variable. Part 3. Using a suitable regression line, estimate the value of a y when x equals 70 and b x when y equals 50. Justify your choice of regression line for each of parts 3a and 3b. Suppose instead that x represents air temperature and y represents wind speed. Part 4. Will the choice of regression lines in parts 3a and 3b change? Why or why not? Part 5. Interpret the slope of the x on y line in the context of this question.